Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing an easy snack for you. It's called a tomato egg pot. Let's see the ingredients. 3 tomatoes, 3 eggs, 3 slice amul cheese, rock salt, oregano seasoning, black pepper. Step 1, we're going to take a chopping board. Now on the chopping board, I'm going to chop and remove the pulp from the tomato. So we're going to do the same thing with all 3 tomatoes. Now I'm going to grease the tomatoes with olive oil. So you're going to slightly grease them nicely, evenly. You could also use a spray oil if you have so. And now I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, some salt, and they are ready to go into an air fryer. So you have 2 options. You could put it in a microwave, you can bake it in an oven, or you can use an air fryer. So I'm going to use an air fryer today. So now the tomatoes are ready to go into the air fryer. I'm going to place it nicely in the air fryer and I'm going to grill it for about 5 minutes. That's on 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. So till our tomatoes get cooked, we are going to quickly scoop the cheese. And our tomatoes are done. So they're nicely cooked. Now we're going to remove them and we're going to add eggs to it. So now I'm going to first add some cheese into the midsection. Okay, now we're going to use the egg. We're going to first add the yolks. So I'm going to first add the yolk to it. There you go. Put the tomatoes once again to bake it. Yeah. And they're ready to go. Now our tomatoes look well done. Now we're going to sprinkle some black pepper to it, some salt, last cheese to it. We're going to sprinkle them with some oregano and bake it one last time for next 2 more minutes. So our tomato egg pot is ready. Reasons why you should opt this as a snack: because tomatoes are rich in beta carotene and lycopene. That means it contains lots of folate, potassium and high amount of vitamin C as well, which is good for your hair, skin and nails. And second, we also have egg. So egg is the most inexpensive type of protein. Yeah. So all you guys should choose this. Why? Because it's easy, it's quick and it's highly nutritious. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit that bell button so that you get an intimation of our videos which come. We do videos on nutrition, train to good look naked and information. So please share and subscribe our page. Thank you and stay tuned.